Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Me Sada Sakshat Kritam Dayanandam Paramarthasvarupinam Tattvajnana Prashastharam Pranatosmi Param Padam Vagartha Vivasam Praktau Vagartha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwaro Yenakshara Samabnayam Adhigamya Maheshwarat Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vagyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahem Tejasvinavadhitamastama Vidvishavahem Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So we are doing Sanabhyasa, Sananta Siddhi, Sananta Rupani. First we take up Akaranta. In fact, we have done many dhatus. Now let us take one by one based on Anta. Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Ukaranta, then Halanta. So Akaranta dhatu Daridra, it's in the last class, Daridra, Anekash. Therefore it is, because it is Anekach. Therefore it is Set or Anit. Only Ekach Anudata dhatu is Set.
So this is Set.
This Ekach Anudata dhatu only can be Anit.
Yeah.
This is Anekach. But we have seen Daridra dhatu is Anit in the list. If you see, yes, we have said Daridra is Anit. Anit dhatu. But when San Pratyaya follows, Daridra dhatu is Anit. All Akaranta dhatus, Ejanta dhatus, they are Anit when San Pratyaya follows. How do you know? Please see the San Itagama, Rakaranam of Sananta. There we have seen. Want to see? I sent the document also. You can see. With Vyavastha for Sun. Please see. Last class we saw. Maybe I have not added the number here. With Vyavastha for Sun. There is this Akaranta. All Akaranta is not in the list. Right? The Karika, if you see, all Akaranta, Sarve Akaranta Dhatavaha Kim what Bhavati? Anitaha Bhavati. Right? And all Ejanta Dhatus are also Anit. Why? Because Ejanta Dhatu will become Akaranta by Upadeshe Adeshe Upadeshaha Ashiti. Right? Ashiti. Why the Akaranta? Anit only. But Daridra Dhatu also Anit. But Daridra Dhatu is weight. For that only we have seen yes, a rule, special rule. So first you have to know, I hope you know, Akaranta, all Ejanta Dhatus are what?
Anit. Actually, Anit.
Anit, but this is weight, no?
This is weight, yes. This is weight. Right?
Yeah.
In the Karika, those dhatus are not the Rakarada dhatu. So therefore, anit. But here, it is weight. Because we have a, here you can see, the last class we saw this.
Vartikam.
There's a Vartika to the Sutra, which is
7,
7 to 49.
49.
So, Vachyaha, what Vachyaha? Darid, Tanpat and Daridra. Tanipati Daridratibhyaha. Sanva it Vachyaha. Vikalpena it Bhavati. Therefore, only to, if you want, you can write this by the Vartikam. Okay. Because we take for granted, that's why I don't write this. But anyway, later if you come up, again you will get a problem. So let me write down. By the Vartikam to the Sutra 7 to 49, right? Vartikam to 7 to 49. Daridra dhatu, which is anit dhatu, akaranda dhatu. That also I will write. Daridra dhatu is anit. But by the following Vartikam, it is optionally said. Itva Vachyaha. Right. So therefore we have two Paksha, Anit Paksha. Then we know Anit Paksha, what will happen? That is just a duplication. That we know. Anit Paksha we have seen. And this Sutra, Alopaha Vachya, Daridratehe, Adadatu Kebare, Alopaha Vachya by the Vartika 64114. Get this form. Then Gu Sangikadat. Gu, Ma, etc. All those. Gu Dhatu also. What is Gu? Dada, Goda. You can take the Akara and the Dhatu. All the Akara and the Dhatus are Anit. Gu Dhatu is Anit only. It is not given optional state. Therefore, only one form. Gu Dhatu. So Da Dhatu, Da or Tha if you take. By 7454, what is 7454 says? When San Pratyaya follows, the Dhatu will take is Adesha, right? And by 7458, what is 7458 says? You must know all this. Lopaha atra lopo abhyasasya. Abhyasasya lopaha bhavati, right? Atra abhyasasya lopaha bhavati. So abhyasa will become lopa. So you can see the sutra pata. Atra abhyasasya lopaha bhavati. 7458. Atra abhyasasya kutra. Atra means where? Starting from 7454 onwards. 54 to 57. You can see. Sani pare, all this. Sani pare, these dhatus, mima, gurab, etc. will get is adesha, achagastana is adesha bhavati. And atra lopaha abhyasasya for all this. Lopaha bhavati abhyasasya. Aap nyapildhami, that also we have seen. Abhyasakarya, special abhyasakarya. Okay, therefore, atra abhyasasya lopaha bhavati 7 abhyasam we can do. And then we can make the lopa of abhyasa. This is being a haladi dhatu, therefore, ekacho pratamasya. By the sutra first touch undergo duplication and abhyasa, it becomes lopaha. By 7454, akaranta is replaced by is, all these dhatus, achagastana is adesha. Finally, you get, so by applying 7449, what does it say? Sakara, sahasya adadhatuke, when adadhatuka pratyaya follows, sakara sthane, takaraha adesha bhavati. Similarly, here also. And madhatu also same thing, mixati. Okay. So all these are akara dhatus. Now let us take Ejanta Dhatu. Ejanta Dhatus are also will become
They are
Ejanta
anit.
Dhatu.
Akaranta.
Akaranta. So let us take the Dhatu. Strange Dhatu. Strange. What is strange? Strange is, it's Ubhayapadi Dhatu. How do you know? Because Nit. Therefore it is Ubhayapadi Dhatu. And it is in the Gana, Vadigana, strange. Hakvayati. All this comes from this Dhatu. Spardayam Shabdecha. Spardayam Shabdecha. It is Vadigana Ubhayapadi Dhatu. Vadihi Ubhayapadi. Strange Dhatu. Okay, this is Akarana. The first, what will happen by the sutra? Way, content is way, followed by sun. Akarana Dhatu, followed by Ashiti. Therefore, what will happen? Okay, let me have the number of this. This is one first Dhatu. Way plus sun. Adeshaha Upadesha Ashiti. By that, way will be replaced by Ha, by sun. So, way will become Va. Now here, way A is replaced by this being an anid. Therefore, what will you do first? We have seen only when Ach follows,
Angakarya first and
only when Ach follows, we have the Dvirvachana Achi. Anyway, whichever way you do, you get the same thing. That also we have seen, right? So when Ajadi Pratyaya follows, Ahladi Pratyaya follows, what will happen? The summary can refer to the summary. The summary we have seen. What is that summary says? Okay, that
And
summary.
when Haladi Pratyapare, first is Ajadesha, then Dvitva.
Yes. So Ajadeshaha and Dvittam, right? Okay, this summary, I don't know where I wrote. Maybe in Dvirvachana, actually, the document what I sent, that I have written. The last part of the document, Dvirvachana, which I have sent through WhatsApp. Otherwise, is every time I have to go through this document, it's difficult. So you can see a short summary for Aladi Dhatu undergoing Dvitvam. Achina Pare, Ajadeshaha and Dvittam, right? This one.
Yeah.
So applying that. Therefore, Ajadeshaha happens. He is, that is the agent Dhatu. You can replace it by Adeshaha Upadesha Shiti. What is number 61? 45. I think 6145 or yeah, 6145 is replaced by Fa. Then after that, now we can do Dvittam. We can now it is Akaranta Dhatu. Therefore, it is Anit, Akaranta Dhatu, Anit. All Akaranta Dhatus are Anit already we have seen. So Yajanta all will become Akaranta, therefore they are Anit. Right? Therefore, no Itakama. That's because no Itakama also he did also this Abhyasaka, Ajadeshaha. Okay, then next is what will happen? Here we have one sutra. You see the sutra pata 7. This is 7.4. 7.3 section. In 7.3, you see, not 7.3, I think.
That is in 37 Samhua.
6. Huh?
In that 37, there is Hua, I said.
Where in 6-1, 35.
37, now you showed that page.
No, not that one, the mistake. No, not that one.
7337.
Not that one. And 6-1 section of 7-3. 6-1. 6-1-45 and 6-1. 30. Yeah, this is what. Samprasaranam, 6-1 section. Okay, then coming back to the A6-1 section. Okay, where we have Samprasaranam, right? Kvaha Samprasaranam, 6-1-32. Samprasaranam Sutra, we know 6-1-15, 6-1-16, which is Jadinam Kiti, the Samprasaranam Dhatus. And further we have Samprasaranam. You can see Samprasaranam, the word goes as Anuvrutti up to 31. And in 32, we have further Samprasaranam. That goes Anuvrutti up to 44. So this is Samprasarana section. Now in 32, Kvaha Samprasaranam. Kvaha referring to this dhatu, Venj dhatu. So Venj dhatu will undergo Samprasaranam. Venj dhatu will undergo Samprasaranam. Now you see this sutra website. Kvaha Samprasaranam. That is 6-1-32. Abhyastasya, the next one. Kvaha Samprasaranam 6-1-32. Abhyastasya, the sutra says, Kva iti vartate, tad abhyastasya ityanena vyadikaranam abhyastasya yaha vayatihi. So, Kva dhatu, what will happen? Will undergo Samprasaranam before you cause Dvitam. Abhyastasya ityanena vyadikaranam abhyastasya yaha vayatihi. Kva is, there is a vocalization of the semi-verbal Kva in the reduplicated form. The Abhyasta means the duplicated both the Abhyasta, okay, Abhyastasya. Abhyastasya. So there will be vocalization of the semi-verbal. What is semi-verbal? Samprasanam, that is what he says semi-verbal. Okay. What is Samprasanam? Ikyanaga Samprasanam, right? So Yanadeshaha. So Yan is semi-verbal. So Abhyastasya ityanena vedikadam Abhyastasya vayatihi. So before you do, by the sutra Abhyastasya, Kva will undergo Samprasaranam. So what will undergo Samprasaranam? N letter. That is why the Vasu says vocalization of the semi-verbal. Semi-verbal, that is, the semi-verbals are Samprasarana, Ikyanaga Samprasaranam. So there will be vocalization of what undergo Samprasaranam, Ik letter will undergo, N letter will undergo Samprasaranam. So Vakara is the N letter, will undergo Samprasaranam. Abhyastasya Samprasaranam Bhavati. So here in Kashika further you can see, you can read full. Tena Abhyasta Karanasya Hayatehe Prakeba Dvirvachana. Before doing Dvitvam, Samprasaranam Bhavati. This is important. The Kva Dhatu, by this sutra, Tena Abhyastasya. The sutra Abhyastasya cha says, Abhyasta, you know what is Abhyasta? Ube, Purvaha Abhyasaha Ube Abhyastam. So Abhyasta and Samprasaranam coming as Anuvrutti from the previous sutra. Kvaha also coming as Anuvrutti. So Kva Dhatu, Abhyasta Kva Dhatu, Samprasaranam Bhavati. But when do you use Samprasaranam? The question comes. Therefore, there Kashika Kara says, before Tena Abhyasta Karanasya, Abhyasta undergoing Samprasaranam, therefore, Vayatehe of the Dhatu Vayati. Vayati is a Dhatu. Ikshitavo Dhatu Nirdesha. Vayatehe Dhatu Prakeva Dvirvachanat. Dvirvachanat Prakeva. Before doing the Dvirvachanam, Samprasaranam Bhavati. Samprasaranam should be done. You can say here, the vocalization is samprasara, takes place before duplication. So before doing diptam, this vocalization of the semi-vowel, that is samprasaranam, should be done. So abhyastasya hvehe samprasaranam bhavati, that is a sutra. But when do you do samprasaranam, the question comes. But the sutra says the samprasaranam should be done before doing diptam. What will undergo samprasaranam? Vakara. So vakara will be replaced by what letter?
Ikara.
Ikara.
Ukara. What is U? Who is also enjoys the sanya? Who also enjoys sanya samprasaranam? Therefore, U plus A. What's the Samprasaranacha, right? 61108. By that, U alone. So Hakara plus O is U. U plus A. Now we can do samprasarana. That's a duplication. Understand?
Yes.
So here I will write what is the sutra 61.
33. Abhyastasya.
Abhyastasya. This is special. I will write the sutra simple meaning 6133. What does it say? Require this. Sutram. Abhyastasya cha 6133. Which has anuvritti of Vaha Samprasaranam from the previous sutra, right? You take the Kashika word. Understand the Kashika. I just write the word Kashika. I just write the vritti of Kashika. Vayaha iti vartate, anuvartate. Tad abhyastasya iti ena vyadikaranam. Abhyastasya yaha vayatihi. Abhyasta of the vayati. That is this dhatu, venge dhatu. Kascha abhyasas. Okay. Kascha abhyastasya vayatihi karanam. Tena abhyasta karanasya vayatehe prakave dirvachadat samprasaranam bhavati. The word khva coming as anuvritti from the previous sutra, there is a vocalization of semi-vowel, okay, in both the syllables. Okay. There is a vocalization is samprasaranam of the vocalization of semi-vowel means samprasaranam of khva in both the syllables. Both the syllables means abhyasta. So abhyastasya vedatoho. Abhyastasya vedatoho samprasaranam bhavati. Tena abhyastasya karnat. So don't do the duplication first and then because ude abhyastam. Vaha iti vartate tad abhyastasya abhyasta of vat iti anena vidikaranam. Abhyastasya yaha vayatihi. So both that dhatu, range dhatu is abhyasta. This abhyasta will undergo samprasaranam. Translation is not proper here. I mean, it's not complete here. The translation is not complete. Siddhanta complete. Abhyasta iti bhavishyatah range samprasaranam syat. Abhyasti bhavishyatah. Okay. It's using abhyasta, not abhyasta iti. Abhyasti bhavishyatah. That range dhatu will undergo abhyasta, means duplication. Samprasaranam syat. This is simple. This is better. Abhyasti bhavishyatah. Abhyasti bhavishyatah. Abhyasti. I think that which is not abhyasta becomes abhyasti bhavishyatah. The word is abhuta tadbhave shri pratyaya tribhu sampadya kartari. I think like in Vichadra class or Samasa class, Shukli Bhavati, think we are using the future tense. That which has not undergone abhyasta, it means duplication has not done, which undergoes duplication. That which has not undergone duplication Now, and that undergoes samprasaranam. After that, duplication to be done. Okay. Abhyasti bhavishyataha venjaha samprasaranam syat. This vritti we can take Siddhanta Kaumari vritti. So, Abhyasti bhavishyataha. First time I'm seeing Abhyasti bhavishyataha iti, the word used along with this Abhyasti. The word, see, Abhyasta plus Chi pratyaya, abhuta tadbhave. Sorry, Anabhyasta plus Chi. Okay. Anabhyasta becoming Abhyasta, therefore Abhyasta one. Yeah. Abhyasta plus Chi. Chaupare, we have seen Akara will become Ikara, therefore Abhyasti. And this Chi and Ta always will come with Bhu Asiti. So here Bhu Dhatu is used. Bhu could be Abhyasti Bhavati, but here this Abhyasta Bhavanam has not yet happened. Therefore, he is using future tense. Abhyasti Bhavishyataha. Okay. So, Chi Pratyaya. So, which has not yet become Abhyasta. It means duplication not been done. So, that meaning Kashikakara says very clearly, Prageva. Tena Abhyasta Karanasya Vayatehe Prakeva Samprasaranam Virvachanat Prakeva Samprasaranam Bhavati. So, doing Samprasaranam of this before duplication. So I will write English translation. Dhatu before undergoing duplication, reduplication, before undergoing duplication will undergo samprasaranam, will undergo the process, will undergo samprasaranam. Samprasaranam. Okay, this is the meaning. Therefore, samprasaranam is done. Now, who you have after this? So once you have who, now we can do the duplication of who. It becomes this, when it becomes samprasaranam, it is who. So who and sa. Now you can see who is now becomes Ajanta Dhatu. Ajanta Dhatu followed by sun. So Ajanta Dhatu followed by sun. What will happen? Ach Jana Gamam Sani. We have seen that sutra. Ach Ajanta Dhatu, Han Dhatu, then Gam Dhatu.
Dirghatvam.
Dirghatvam Bhavati. That's
Yeah.
first we do. Ajanta, if it's Akara Dhatu, we have nothing to do with. But it has become now Rasva. Ach. Therefore, we have to apply. So Ajanta Namanganam. Ani, Gami, Dhatu also, Sani, Jaladau Pratyaya Pare. And this is a Anit Dhatu, therefore Jaladi Sari Pratyaya. By this sutra, it will get Dirgha Desha, therefore who will become who, the 6, 4, 16. So therefore, first you do the Ajadesha, this also Ajadesha, who plus sun. By 6, sutra is 6, 4. All the sutras already we have listed separately, we have seen 6, 4, 16. Who plus sun. Now it is ready for duplication.
Actually, it can undergo Angakarya, but what is that? The other one negates the. Is it so? That's why
Sorry?
we use the. Actually, Hukara is there, so it can undergo.
Okay. Ecogel negates.
Yes. Ecogel negates and then.
Ecogel negates Angakarya because it enjoys Kitvam. Therefore, only 6, 4, 16, Jaladi, Jalado Pratyaya Pare. Okay. And Sani Jalado Prate Pare Dirghadesha Bhavati by this sutra. And because it is suppose if you don't give apply the kittom by 7380 for Savadatu Kadadatu Pratyaya, it become Hokara.
Hokara.
Okay, that also we can write. What is the sutra ecogel number?
Ecogel is
128 or something.
129.
129. So by ecogel it is given kitvam. Therefore no gunaka. And this is common for all. In fact, all Ajanta Dhatus we have seen. This is how we did.
Yeah.
Ecogel, Halanta, etc. By that kitvam is extended. Atidesha, right? This is Atidesha extending kitvam. Therefore we apply 6 for 60. Because if it is not kitta, then 7384 will apply. That will Parasutra, that will overrule 6 for 60. That is why this 6 for 16 finds application. So who becomes who? Very good. That point is important. Yeah. Now we can do Twitvam. Who plus sun will become. Now it is ready for duplication. You can do. Because it is Haladi, therefore, Ekacho Pratame. Ekacho Dve Pratamasya. By that sutra, first I shall undergo duplication. Now this is Abhyasa Ube Abhyastam. That's why Abhyastat Purvam the Samprasaranam Bhavati. Now Abhyasa Karya, who will become Rasva. That's number 1. And who goes to who can apply. Who goes to who by that this will be replaced by corresponding Jakara, Ju, right? Corresponding letter which is Ju. And is Abhyasa Charcha, this will be replaced by corresponding just letter which is Ju.
Ja.
So therefore you get the form Ju to Sa. Shattam also can be done. Upadesha, this is Adesha Sakara, this Pratyaya Sakara preceded by in or to. Therefore undergoes Shatvam, right? So therefore you have Juhasha. Juhusha. Juhusha. Therefore Juhusha. So Jugusha plus now we can do tip. Therefore you put the form Jugushati. Jugushataha, Jugushanti. It will be Padi, I think. Therefore you can add Atmanepadi also. There are 2 forms. Now check the Dhatu. Sanantarupam of the start. Range Dhatu Sanantarupam. Sanante Kartari. Jugushati, Jugushataha, Jugushanti, right? Jugushataha. So we need to know this for French Dhatu Samprasaranam. So Purvam Samprasaranam, Anantaram Abhyasa. So doing that we get Hu Dhatu, He Dhatu beginning Agenta Dhatu becoming Akara, and then follow the steps, you get the form Jugushati. And Ubepadi, I don't know why he is giving only Parasmepadi form. Yeah, sorry, he has given Ubepadi. Okay. Atmanepadi form also is given. Yes, he has given both. Jugushati or Jugushate also, both. Okay. So let us take the next Akara on the Dhatu. We have done this one. So the next Akara on the Dhatu. Next Akara on the Dhatu, whatever Akara on the Dhatus are left out, we can take. Like Pa Dhatu. Can take Pa Dhatu. I think Pa Dhatu we have done before. We take Pa Dhatu, number 2. Or any Akara on Dhatu we can do. Pa Dhatu, I think we have seen before. Pa Dhatu, yeah. Or I think Pa Dhatu only we have seen.
Ma Dhatu, similar like that.
Ma Dhatu already
Sati.
we did. Mimit Sati we have seen. Ma Dhatu already we have done Ma Dhatu. So Pa Dhatu, okay. Pa Dhatu, you can take a Gra Dhatu also. Gra That also we can do. So pa dhatu, if you take pane, rakshane or pa, yeah. Pa dhatu is in two, I think two ganas. Rakshane one meaning pati, other one is pane. So anything you take. So bhuadi or dhatu, parasamipadi dhatu, or you can take pa. This is bhuadi gana, pa pane. Another one is pa dhatu, which is rakshane. This is the second gana, I think. Adadi gana, rakshane. Because being akara dhatu in both gana, it must be anit. So anything you can take. So pa plus san. Akara dhatu. What will be the next step? So no itagama because akara and the dhatu. Then pa plus san. What will happen? Pa plus san. Pa will undergo duplication. Nothing else is that. So pa, right? Ube abhyastam. Purvaha abhyasaha. So doing abhyasa, pa you have now. After that, pa will become rasvaha, become pa, and sani ataha. By that, pa will become p plus pa plus san. Right? Therefore, you get pipa. So therefore, pipa, sakara, adesha sakara, preceded the akara, not in arku. Therefore, that will remain as it is. Pipa, pipasa. So pipasa becomes pipasa plus this parasmipadi, pipasa plus tip, pipasati. You can check the form in both the gana. So pipasati iti rupam. You can check the forms are same for pa rakshane, for pa pane. For both the gana. Pipasati, pipasati, pipasataha, pipasati. Okay, let us take the next dhatu. Or if you have any akara on the dhatu, you can tell we can do.
Akaranta or agent?
Any aganta also becomes akaranta. So any dhatu you can take. So pa dhatu in both the gana, I said it is same form. Pipasati, akaranta. Both are anit. Akaranta being anit only. So gra dhatu, you can take gra dhatu. Gra becomes jigra, right? By the sutra, we have no shit pratyaya follows. Gra will become jigra. Gandho padane.
Samyataji, I am going to ask a silly doubt.
Yeah.
Pipasa, why is Sakara not turning into Shakaraji?
Preceded by not in or ku. Simple.
In Arku. Yeah.
Inkoho, adesha pratyayoho, right?
Yes. Okay.
It's good to have silly doubts sometimes. So,
I've got.
so gra dhatu. Gra plus san. So gra dhatu, first, we have any special rules we have to see. No special rules. The range dhatu special rule that you have to note. Koha samprasaranam. So those like some special that's I deal with. General I'm not doing is one or two. If you have anything, you can tell we can do that dhatu also. Vedatu is something special. Why special? Because koha samprasaranam bhavati. Abhyastasya and abhyasat before doing abhyasa. So abhyasa when you say therefore before doing abhyasa samprasaranam should be done. Other akara those are simple. Just if you see that the dhatu and then duplication or any agent the dhatu also if you take becomes akara follow the same. So gra will become gri. First you can say make it rasva and then become gri. Right, and gri is kavarga therefore kuhos chuhu. Replace it by corresponding jakara with corresponding gesture which is g jakara, right? G. Oh, sorry, here we have to do aladi sheshaha. Gakara, repa is, so repa you drop it, only gakara. And gakara becomes gi. And gi will become corresponding kugos chuhu. By that, gakara will be replaced by corresponding what letter? G. Chavarga.
Yeah, then Abhyas is such a.
Then Abhyas is Charcha. Then we can do, it will become Jigra. Jigra, again, here it is. A precedes, not in or ku. Therefore, you have Jigrasati. Okay. I'm not writing the sutra. So, Abhyasa Ekavacha Pratamaha, Ekavacha Dve Pratamasya, then Aswaha, then Sanyataha, then Kuhostuhu, then Abhyase Charcha. Then Jigrasati. Okay. Similarly, Dhatu, another Dhatu. Take Akara and Dhatu. You know, Bhati, Bhadatu, Bha, to shine. You can take Bhadatu. Basa, I think Ba is Basane. Bhadatu, Deepto, Adadigana. It is Adadigana, Bhati, Bataha, Bhanti, Adadigana, Parasme Paridatu. So, Ba plus Sun. Dhatu is Anid, all these are Anid, Akaranta, and for Anid. So, becomes Babha, become Vibha, and it will not no application, other Abhyasa Karya. Because you will not apply. You can apply Abhyasa Charcha. Right? So Abhyasa Charcha then becomes B, then Vibha. Therefore you get Vibhasa. Vibhasa, then Vibhasati, Vibhasataha, Vibhasanti. What is the meaning? How do you interpret? What is the meaning of Vibhasati? What is Vigrahavakya? What is Vigrahavakya? Bhatum Ichati.
Bhatum Ichat.
Oh, okay.
Similarly, Ghratum Ichati. Jigrasati. Patum Ichati. Either desire to drink or desire to protect. Tipasati. Similarly, here, Tu Dhatu. Kve. Kve plus Tumun. What will happen? Kve Dhatu, which is Anid Dhatu. Kve. So, what will be the form of Vigraha? Kve. Kve plus Tum. I think Kve. It is Kvetum. Because it is Anid. Therefore, no Itagama. Kve become Ha because Upadeshya Shiti. So Kve become Ha, Fatum, Akhvayati. Similarly, Fatum, it will be, I think so. Let's check later. Kve become Kve plus Tum because it is Anidhatu, Tum, Adadatu Pratyaya, no Itagama. So therefore, no Itagama and Adesha Upadeshya Shiti by that the same rule. So therefore, it will become Fatum, Ichati, Tum, Jugushati, or Jugushate. Jugrusha, Fatum Icha. Similarly, Fatum Ichati. Desire to protect or desire to drink becomes Ipasati. Similarly, here, Gra plus Tum, Gratum. Ita Gratum yet, similarly, same thing, Fatum. That is the Jigrasati. Similarly, Bhatum Ichati. Bhatum Ichati. Vibhasati. All these are Akara and Dhatu. Now, let us take some Ejanta Dhatu. Why Ejanta Dhatu? Ejanta, in fact, we are doing Ejanta. Akaranta, Daridra, we have done. All these are Ejanta Dhatu. Ejanta also will become Akaranta. Therefore, Akaranta it is. Akaranta. Akaranta. Ejanta becomes by the Sutra, Adesha, Upadesha, Shiti, Akaranta, therefore Akaranta. Then why this Akara? These are Akara by, naturally these are Akara. This Ejanta becomes Akara. Therefore, all are akaranta only. There's nothing special about it. All are akaranta. The next one, number 5. There are some ekaranta dhatus. Ejanta dhatus. Ejanta means ekaranta dhatu, and okaranta dhatu also is like show, antakarmani, etc. So we will do. Now, let us take the dhatu. Glai. Glai dhatu. Glai means to fade. Harshakshaye. Glai dhatu. It is vadigana parasmepadi dhatu. So glai will become adesha upadesha shiti. Must you do gla, gla, gla. Then aladi sheshaha. By that you get. By that what you get? The kara, right? You have ga. So you have ga. Glai become gla. Aladi sheshaha. Then ga will become gi. Gigla. Then Kuvoshu will become Jigla. Then Abhyasa same thing. You will have Jigla, then Jigla Sati. I'm not sure whether the form is correct. See. So Glaida too. So Jigla Sati. Jigla Sati, Jigla Sata, Jigla Sati. Similarly, okay, I will not do just, I will write the form only. Number 6. Let us take the Dhatum Mlai. Mlai will become what will be Najanta Rupam of Mlai. Maybe I will write the Dhatu Artha on the website. Mlai Dhatu. Mlai also same to fade, right? But also Ashtakshaya
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, ga will become Harasva, no? Ga, and then it becomes Anyataha.
Sorry?
This gla,
Yeah.
will become.
Yes. Become Raswa. Raswaha. Yes. Next one, Mlai. Mlai will become what will be the same? What will be the Rupam? Ma become me, then Mimla Sati. Let us check the form. Mimla Sati. It's a Mimla Sati. Let me check. Sananta Kattari. Yeah, Mimla Sati is a Rupa. Sanantaru of Mlaidat. Number 7. Jai Dhatu. Jai. Ejanta Dhatu. Jai. Chintayam. That's also Vadigana. Parasmepadi. What will be the Rupam? Become Di become Di. Then Jai become Dhya. Didhya Sati. Right? Yeah, Didhya Sati is a Rupa. Next one. Number 8. Okaranta Dhatu. Show. We have a show, cho, so iti. Okaranta Dhatu. Tanu Karane show. I think we have seen this dhatu someplace. Divadigana Parasmepadi Dhatu. What will be a Rupam? Divadigana Latlakara Rupam. Divadigana we have seen. This dhatu we have seen. Show. Shati, remember? Show will become show plus sha plus Shati. Shati, Shataha, Shanti. Just Ayadi Santi. Show dhatu we have seen. The Sananta Rupam of that will be show. So O becomes Rasva. So here I just write show, right? Show. Okara, therefore Adesh Upadesha Sthiti becomes Akara. So show Sha. So Sha alone undergoes duplication, therefore it is Shasha. Okay. Sha will become Rasva will become Shi. Therefore we have the form Shi, Shisha, Sati, right? The form is Shisha Sati. Similarly, we have another dhatu, show, antakarmani. Aupadeshika dhatu is show. Dhatu adesham krutva becomes so antakarmani. So you will see the dhatu, it's in Divadika, same syati syataha syanti we have seen. Antakarmani. The dhatu, so dhatu. To kill, to destroy, that's the meaning. Antakarmani. Divadikana parasmapadi dhatu, so also will become sa. Vyasa is sa. Now sa will become
Sa.
rasva. So sa will become rasva and then become si sanyataha. So si will be remaining. So sisa and sisasati. Now sisasati, this dhatu adege shaha saka we have done. So let me write that. Aupadeshika dhatu is show. This is different other dhatus. Therefore, sakara has come in the place of shakara. Therefore, this is pratyaya, the adesh. This is adesha sakara, right? So is adesha.
So
That are not
Shatam
here.
can happen.
Atvadehe
Yeah,
shaha.
exactly.
Sri Sha,
Yeah, sakara is a adesha sakara.
Adesha
preceded by it.
Sakara.
Therefore, you have to do shatam. Therefore, sisha sati. Then another dhatu. I think I've covered all the okara of the dhatu.
Shatvam for the last sakara only, no? Ji?
No, that will not happen because preceded by a.
Okay,
This is
before
a
one.
adesha sakara. Therefore, it can
Okay.
happen.
Okay.
Then another dhatu, show dhatu. This dhatu also it is in the Divadigana only. You will find okara dhatu in the Divadigana. Show. To cut, chedane. Divadigana paraspepari dhatu. So this also will become first akara, cha-cha, cha-cha. Then cha will become by rasvaha, it becomes. So cho chedane, Divadigana paraspepari dhatu. So cho will become first is cha. So cha-cha. Then this cha become rasvaha. Cha becomes rasvaha. Then by okay, this is rasvaha. Then abhyasa charcha. Then chanyataha chi. Then chi become abhyasa charcha chi. Right. So the form is chicha. Chicha sati. And here chakara follows. Therefore, che can be applied. Chi is not a padam, so it's a part of this. Therefore, checha by the chicha. The checha, you remember? Checha padantatva dirghadva. So we have to apply. Che follows rasvasya kriti piti tuk. Tuk will come. Then tukagama will undergo stutvam. Therefore, chicha sati. Tukagama will come for dirghat padantadva. So rasvasya kriti piti tuk checha dirghat padantadva. So here this is by the sutra checha 6173, I think 73 or 24. The chicha sati. Okay, another dhatu.
Shall we do that alone in steps so that next time?
This one.
Yeah. Sorry.
No problem. I
Thank
take
you.
it for granted. I will do it.
No, now we understand, but after some time.
So dhatu is cho. I hope internet will not go. This is third time. Cho. Cho will become, sorry, don't do this. Cho first. Cho will become cha. Okay, cha. Then cha undergoes duplication, cha. Then this cha will become cha, rasvaha. Then sanyataha become chi. Chicha, the sun. Then you can apply abhyasa charcha, become chi, chicha. But when before you apply abhyasa charcha, this you have to apply here in this process. when checha, okay, this chakara comes because of abhyase charcha. But after that, the checha is chakara follows that sutra to be applied. Okay, so it is doesn't comes under tripadi. I mean tripadi. I mean the violation. But the chakara follows samgitaya vishaye. Comes under samgita. Samgita is common, right? So when chakara follows samgitayam rasvasya. Not rasvasya kriti priti, that comes doesn't come as anuvritti. Only chakara follows, then rasvasya tukka kama bhavati. Samgitayam, that is why it has come under samgita. So here samgita between abhyasa and abhyasta also is important. So therefore checha will apply. Please note. Maybe we'll elaborate a little more on checha, that we will see. Okay, we will see the checha sutra. 1 minute. Chakara follows
6173.
6-1.
73.
93. Yeah.
When I do now, I get doubt why this tripadi. There may be some point, or you may probably not discussed also. Shecha rasvasya chakare pare samgitayam tuk bhavati. Okay. This is between the padam, therefore swachaya, vrikshachaya and all we have seen. Asyam prakriyayam. Okay. Anena nirdishtaha samgitayam nityaha. So therefore you have to apply this. So this is nitya, nityaha. Okay. So nityaha. Rasvasvaraha eva agami nagi rasvasvaranta shabdaha. Okay, here I read from here. Yadi asmin sutre sampurna shabdaha agami rupena svikriyeta. What is agami already said? Tukiti agamasya, that is agama. Agami is rasvasvaraha. Uta rasvasvaranta shabdaha. Agami, that which gets agama is called agami. Agamaha asya astiti, agamin, agami, agami. It can decline, like current shabda. So that rasvasvaraha is the agami, rasvasvaranta shabdaha. Iti prashnam krutva kashika karanayam agami rasvasvaraha iti eva nahi rasvasvaranta shabdaha. If it is rasvasvaranta shabdaha, means then only between the two individual words. So here in our example, chi is not rasvasvaranta shabdaha, rasvasvaraha. It will not get. That is why kashika kara takes rasvasvaraha natu rasvasvaranta shabdaha. Okay, fine. Swa plus icha atra vakara uttara akaraha eva agami rupena svikriyate nahi swashabdaha iti shabdaha. Okay. Vakara alone should be taken, that vakara uttara akara alone should be taken as agami, natu swa iti shabdaha. Yadi asmin sutre sampurna shabdaha agami rupena svikriyate, if the entire word is taken as agami, not the vowel alone, then what will happen? This is the rule for agama. Yat agamaha tadguni bhutaha tad grahanena vrigyante. I used to say this. Agami, which becomes an integral part of the sthani. Therefore, this antaranga karya should be done first. Anaya paribhashaya shabda grahanena agamasyapi grahane krite abhyasa karyeshu. So our problem, abhyasa karyeshu kaschana doshaka sambhavet. Iti chiddatoho litlakarasya prathama purushya Vivachana Prakriyayam Drashtum Shakete. So if you understand Chid, you will get understand why we are doing that. Chid plus Litlakara. Litlakara, null, I think you're doing Pratham Purusha Ekavachanam. No, Vivachanam is doing. So Litlakara Pratyaya, when you add, it undergoes duplication. Therefore, the duplication part alone is important. So Aladisheshaha Chid. Now here, Checha by that sutra. Checha by that sutra. Chakare pare rasvasya tukkagama bhavati. Oh, the same thing. I don't know why we are discussing it. You can directly apply. Okay. If it is chi, therefore we have to take it is rasvasvara shabdaha. Therefore, here itself we can do chicha, right? So here itself we can take this to be a tuk agama. Just was here. We are not entered with Tripadi now. After that, this become in Tripadi it will become in Chuttam, then it will become Chakara. Okay, that later. Now, continuing that example. Chit, checha iti chakare parasva chetukakamaga bhavati. Now here, what will happen? If you take it as a swashabda, then aladishaka, what will happen? Takara will drop. Tukagamase karane krite, punaha aladishesha ityane abhyasasya lopaka bhavati, etadasham ma bhoot. This should not happen. Then what's the purpose of writing tukagama? Therefore, atta tukagama kevalam ikarasya eva agava rupena. Therefore, it along comes with it, ikara alone. Anena abhyasa karena tukagamasya rkरणम bhavati kevalam ikara grahana eva tukagamasya rkरणम bhavati. By this, abhyasa rkरणम tukagamasya rkरणम na bhavati kevalam ikara grahana eva tukagamasya rkरणम bhavati. Therefore, you cannot drop this takara. Takara will remain. Otherwise, haladi sheshaka will apply. Tukagama will go away. That becomes dosha etadasham ma bhut. Therefore, tukagama kevalam rasvasya agama rupena grigyate, not for the entire shabda. By that, anena abhyasa garganena tukagamasya garganam na bhavati. So when his abhyasa doesn't include tukagama. Abhyasa garganena tukagamasya garganam bhavati kevalam ikara garganena tukagamasya garganam bhavati. You can note this. So therefore, aladishesha cannot be applied because aladishesha that the tukagama doesn't include here. It is a part of E. Therefore, you cannot drop this. So that's what he says. Abhyasa grahanena tukagamasya grahanam bhavati. So aladishesha we apply abhyasa. So that we cannot apply. Kevalam ikara grahana. When you say ikara only, tukagamasya grahanam bhavati. Therefore, what will happen here? Takara will remain. So chi plus, you can put this separately for our understanding. Therefore, chi plus aladisheshaha chi. This is aladishesha means you have to take only abhyasa. Only when you take e, then only tukagama. So chi plus takara, then cha. Okay. Now next sutra is abhyasa charcha. So abhyasa charcha, do we take the whole thing? No, this is abhyasa. Therefore, that will become chi. But before that itself, this tukagama in contact with chakara, it undergoes chuttam, we can apply that. Then abhyasa charcha become chi, chicha, chichasati. Now you get the form, right? So checha sutra is that part of the sutra that is important. You can note that. It's discussing so clearly here. The same thing what we are doing. So chakara pare rasvasya tuk agamaga bhavati. Once the tuk agama is already and you cannot remove it by haladi sheshaha. So abhyasa means abhyasa garganena tuk agamasya grahanam bhavati. This point you have to note. So abhyasa undergoing changes, that is not applicable to tuk agama. When you say ikara gargana, ikara garganena eva tuk agamasya bhavati. Suppose it becomes dirgha under, then tuk agama itself will not be there. Okay. Please note. So therefore, chichasati iti rupam. Understand, right?
Yes, Ji.
This part I will maybe for understanding checha. As a part of checha, this I will write here. The tukkhavama checha, the footnote, so that we don't get later confused. But anena abhyasa tukkhavasya karanam bhavati kevalam vikara karanena tukkhavasya karanam bhavati. This is 6173. I think we'll stop here. One more dhatu is that. That dhatu also we'll do. Vedatu. And then we'll stop. Just do Ve Dhatu. With that, the Akara Dhatus are over. So number 11. Any other Akara Dhatu, if you can take up and do, if you have any problem, let me know, we'll do it in the class. Ve Dhatu. Ve Dhatu is to weave. Vayati, Vayataha, Vayanti, Venj Dhatu. I think Ubepadi. Tanu San. It is Tanu, Tantu, Tantu Santane. Tantu Santane. Vadigana, Ubepadi Dhatu. So what will be the Sananta Rupam of this Dhatu? Venj Dhatu is an Atmane Samprasana Dhatu. It will undergo Samprasana. Vayati, it is there as part of that. First let us do. So, anyways, but here we have to see whether Samprasana happens or not. Only when Kiti Pratyaya Pare. So, Ve will become Va. So, Va. Right? After that, Va will become Rasvaha. Va will become Va. And Sanyataha become V. Then V, Va. Vivasati. Venj Dhatu is Samprasana Dhatu, but here Samprasana doesn't happen because there is no Nimitta to cause Samprasana. How do you know it's Samprasana Dhatu? Please see the Sutra. Here, Vayi, what is Vayi? Vayi is Venj Dhatu. Okay, Garhi Jya Vayi Yadi Vashti Vichati Vaschati Prachati. So Vayi, 6116 Sutra, if you see the website. 6116. So the Vayi Dhatu is this Venj Dhatu. The Kashika. Venj Dhatu. Venj Venyaha Vayi. Adeshasya Gitva Bhavat. Okay, here it is there. Okay. So here it doesn't undergo Samprasana because there is no Nimitta in the case of Sananta. So therefore you get the form Vivasati. Right? Understand?
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Ji.
So I will put this before. Here I will put this. This is 10. So next class we will do Ikaranta Dhatu. First let's complete Ajanta. Then we can go to Alanta. Ikaranta Dhatava. Okay. So let's stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad Ji.
Dhanyawad,
Sumati ji didn't ask the doubt.
Yeah. Dhanyawad Ji. One small doubt, Sharan Ji.
Yes.
Sorry, if you look into that example 21, when we are doing the Abhyas, I know அது ஒரு சுராதி கணா எடுத்துட்டோம்ல ஜி.
Example 21.
Ardhusan.
This one.
Yeah.
1 minute, Ji. Can you just say how we got it? Which you apply?
Okay, Ardhi.
This is it agama. So this is Ajadi Dhatu. It Prakaranam andana. First it will undergo Ajadesha and then this one, right?
No, please see. Ardhi is a first Anekash Dhatu, Anekachwar. It is doesn't negate. It will get Itagama, right? So for Ardhi plus Isa. Now this is Ajadi. Ajadehi Dvitiyasya. The second one will undergo the.
So won't we not do Angakarya first because it's Ajadesha first and then Dvitvam, right?
Ardhi plus Isa. Okay. Ajadi when Ajpare then.
According to the short summary, it's given Ajadi said Dhatus. If then what happens first is Ajadesha and then Dutvam Kurtrika.
When Ajadi said Dhatu, yeah, Dvitiya Ekaj undergoes duplication.
That is right, Ji. But adukku minnadi won't not do Angakarya, won't not do D irukku illaya. So will it not undergo de aguman? That's my question.
Okay.
So
Ardi,
Angakarya should happen first and then Dvitvam. Before we do the Dvitvam, won't we not do Angakarya?
hmm.
Or did I miss anything? And yesterday we were doing it, so Satna we had a doubt.
Okay, this Ardatu. I don't know we did this. Then the become they. They also will become Raswaha. They will be replaced by the, and they plus they. Yeah, it's right only. I don't know why
Yes,
I
Ji,
do this.
but is correct. But Ange Varuman, my question is, Adila that the first will undergo de aita, Kapran Dvitvam will come.
Just a minute. Virvachane Achi.
But this is the Ishtarupam actually. But I know, but what we got is right actually, Ji. But according to the case,
Understand.
according to the
See, if you do Angakarya, what will happen? The will become?
they, Kapran Dvitvam we talk about, yeah.
Then they, right?
They, Vana Varla, I tried that.
They will become the, and this the plus is a. So this day plus ayad is on the, they will become they. They is a, you get the same thing.
But they, how it became the?
Huh?
The day, how it became the?
Raswaha.
Oh, okay. I
yeah,
missed
we
that
did
step.
the
I
Raswaha.
missed that step. Okay.
But I don't know why I did like this also. Okay. What is the prakriya given?
Actually, if
First
it's
Angakarya,
Ajadi
then
said,
Dvitvam.
first is Angakarya. According to the summary, only for Haladi Dhatus, if it is followed by Ach Pare, then Dvitvam will be first and then Ajadesha. The rest of it is only Angakarya first and then Dvitvam.
Okay, Churadigana Ardi, let us see. Obvious, done. I don't know what's done.
But what you
Ardida.
have done is, that's right, Ishtarup. Adu Pata correcta irukku ji. Okay, but I think on the step I missed it. The rest were Panada, they, which so I was thinking, I'm not getting the Ishtarupam Epdinto.
Okay.
So we need to change the steps in that.
Yeah. I'm just thinking when for Ajadi Set Dhatu, Dvitiya undergoes duplication. If Dvitiya happens to be Itagama, then Angakarya should be done first. Okay. Or
Since it is not that Itakama is undergoing the duplication. Adane Vardu.
it is Itagama, Ajadi Pratyaya Pare, you do Dvitvam first. See, following the Kaumadikara method, I did. So it's correct only. See here. Dirvachane Achi, short summary. Okay. Aladi I have written, that's okay. Achi Pare.
Yes, Ajadi is coming down, Ji, in the down part. There is Ajadi.
Yeah, you've written it down.
It's okay,
Down.
I know. Yeah, sir. Achi Pare, Itagama Pare. So Ajadi Pratyaya Pare. So Dvitvam first, followed by Ajadesha. This is what
Or
I have.
Haladi Dhatus.
It's okay.
Right?
Fine. Achi Pare. When Achi follows by following the Kaumadikara method, Dvitvam first and then Ajadesha.
Yeah.
Here it is Ajadi. Here I given Anit. This is not Anit. Therefore, this is ruled out. And the second point here, when Ajadi said Dhatu follows, when the Dvitiya Ekach undergoes duplication, and if it happens with Itagama, then do Angakarya and then Dvitvam. So I can, okay. Then I can add this one, the same thing here also. As I added for Aladi, that is a common. Okay, 1 minute. When Achpare, that is when Ajadi Pratyaya follows, right? When Ajadi Pratyaya follows. Ajadi Pratyaya Pare. Do Dvitvam and Ajadesha. This is common.
Oh, you do Dvitvam first, is it? We wrote it as Ajadesha first. And
As
then
we did
Ditva.
for Haladi, similarly, following the Kaumudi Prakriya, we do it this. Right? Dvitvam and followed by Ajadesha. Is it any contradiction here? You take Ajadi Dhatus. Ajadi Dhatu, Dvitiya Ekacha undergoes duplication. Therefore, so Ajadesha Angakaryam followed by Dvitta for Anit Dhatus. Here also, Anit is that. What we do, Ajadesha and Dvitta. So these two things matches for both, right? Aladi, Ajadi. Similarly, the first one matches for both. If it is Ajadi Pratyaya follows, and the second Ach, if it is not a Ittagama E, then do Dvitvam and then do the Ajadesha, Kamadikara method. Or if you do Kashikakara method, as I have done, followed probably Kashika here, what I have done before. So here, Ardi plus Isa. So I've done the duplication first. I've done the duplication of the Ditiya Ach followed by the Ajadesha. Kaumadikara method I have followed. Understand? Are you there?
So you get one more case
Yes,
there.
Ji.
Kaumadikara methods follow because Kaumadikara said this Durvachan, not Durvachanachi. Now, what we say is following Kashikakara method, you do Ajadesha, but when it will be Stanivat, therefore here
Then
it
it
will be,
becomes Stanivat.
then here it will be
Yeah.
D only. It will be D only. Even if it is there, it will become D only. Rasvaha. Understand?
Yeah.
So following
you get-
Kashikakara methods, it will be first you do Kashikakara, first you do Angakarya, and then for the case of Dvittam, it will be Ajadesha. So it's Stanivat Bhavati. So it is they. Actually, the Stanivat Bhavati, it is D only. This is Kashika. Kaumadikara says what he says. Kaumadikara method, you do Dvittam, Didi, then do Angakarya. Understand?
We get
Kashika
the
method.
same form.
So we get one more case. That is, if the duplication is not the Ittagama. So this is the case for Ajadi, Churadigana. That is, always you get that E.
This is for Ajadi Pratyaya follows, not Churadigana. Ajadi Pratyaya follows, this happens. Ajadi Pratyaya, not the what undergoes duplication is not the Ittagama.
Ittagama.
That is second point here. There Ajadesha, Angakara we do first and then Dvittam. Right? See, we follow Kaumadikara. This is another problem, I think. Kashika, Kaumadi, Kashika, Kaumadi.
Yeah,
We follow
yeah.
this Kaumadikara method. You do Dvittam and then Ajadesha. When Ajadi Pratyaya Pare. When Ajadi Pratyaya, this is what I have written. When Aladi Pratyaya Pare, you do Ajadesha and then Dvittam. This is what is Kaumadikara method you say. Ittagama follows. See, the Kaumadikara, Kashika, all the Dvirvachana achis were applicable only when Ajadi Pratyaya follows. When Aladi Pratyaya follows, don't worry. Right? When Aladi Pratyaya follows, Angakarya followed by Dvittam. That is common for both, right?
Yeah, that is common. Yes.
Whether it is Aladi Dhatu or Ajadi. When Aladi Pratyaya means it is not a set Dhatu. So here also you can see Anit Dhatu, right?
Yeah.
So this point, this is common.
Ah.
Okay, let me put this as yellow color or what. This is common for both, right? This is common. Just I made into two. One is Ajadi, Aladi, that's it. And here Kaumadikara methods, if you follow, you do maybe different color. You do Dvittam followed by Ajadesha. Dvittam and Ajadesha. Here also Ajadi Pratyaya Pare. You do Dvittam and then Ajadesha. This is a special case. This is a special case. Understand? Where the it which that undergoes duplication. then Angakarya first followed by Dittam. The logical reason actually we have seen for why we do like that. Is it clear? Not clear? Huh?
Yes, Chair.
It's clear, SJ. So that means the Itagama will not undergo duplication for the case what we are saying now. அது ஒண்டி தனியா வச்சுட்டோம்னா கரெக்டா
Yeah. So then what will you do first?
as you said, first will be Dvitvam and then Ajadesha.
Ajadesha. So that is what we have done here, Ardi.
Yeah, even for Haladi Dhatus we did it. Ach pare. அப்ப அதுல வந்து Itagama can undergo duplication அதுல. இங்க வந்து Itagama will not undergo duplication for Churadiganas, right? I mean, for the
yeah, Itagama will not undergo duplication. Yes, right.
அப்ப அங்கதான் அங்க difference வருது.
So here, so what the method what we did before, it's correct, right? Go back to
Yeah. Only thing we should note down as a special case. And the case uttutom number.
Okay. Special case mattum I have written that, not this case. So here Ditya H undergoes duplication followed by Angakarya. That's it.
Okay.
Ditvam followed by Angakarya. You take one method. Ditvam followed by Angakarya is what method? Komadikara method.
Komadikara. Yeah.
Ditvam followed by Angakarya. Again, Dittam followed by Angakarya, this for Ajadi Pratyaya follows, right? If it is Anit Pratyaya, then if Anit,
if it
Aladi
is
Pratyaya.
If it is Aladi
Then,
Anit Pratyaya, then you have two cases.
Sa
So whether
only.
it is Achpare means
Angakarya followed by Dittam.
that is for Anit Pratyaya. Yeah.
Aladi Pratyaya pare,
Correct.
Angakarya followed by Dittam. Ajadi Pratyaya pare, Dittam followed by Ajadesha. Okay, this remember, that's it. Special cases, when the Itagama itself undergoes duplication, there, like in the case of Aladi Pratyaya follow, what we do, Angakarya
Ajadesha,
and then
then
Dittam.
Dvitva. Okay.
That's it.
It's very clear.
You make the 5 points into 3 points to combine both, whether it's Ajadi or Aladi.
Yeah.
That's okay. But I have written for our understanding, I wrote like this. Okay. If summary is confusing, make this into 2, whether it is Ajadi or Aladi, whatever it may be. Right? So make it into 3.
Yeah.
One is Dittam followed by Ajadesha for Ajadi Pratyaya, Ajadesha followed by Dittam for Aladi Pratyaya. The third is, this is important, this one. But Ajadi said to Ditya will undergo duplication, and if it happens with Itagama, then do the Ajadesha followed by Dittam. Right? As we do for Anit Aladi Pratyaya pare. Okay. Somebody do this. Understand?
Yeah. Thank
Yes,
you,
yes.
Ji.
Okay.
Correct, Chair.
Did it Purnamadaha?
No, yeah, you
No,
did
Ji.
it.
Okay.
You
He
did.
did, no? He did.
Okay.
He did.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः ಜಿ.